Today we will learn about Thomas Hardy. So Thomas Hardy, so this is my handwritten note. तो मेरा ये लिखा हुआ नोट है जिसको मैं फॉलो करके मेरा नेट क्वालिफाई की हूँ। तो इसको मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ इसलिए कि आप लोगों को भी कुछ हेल्पफुल हो सके। तो ये मेरा हैंडराइटिंग नोट है, तो थोड़ा हैंड राइटिंग इधर उधर हुआ है, अच्छा नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन अगर आप लोग समझ के पढ़ेंगे तो आप लोगों को हेल्पफुल होगा। तो टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट थॉमस हार्डी। Born in June 2, 1840, here Bachampton, Dorset. This is the place of birth. Setting for many of his novels. Dorset जो है मैनी नॉवेल्स में ये डोरसेट सेटिंग मिलेगा आपको। उनका फादर वाज अ मैसन, स्टोन मैसन, creative love of music, and he had 3 brothers and sisters. It was very important to his mother that Thomas be educated. तो उनके मम्मी मतलब का इच्छा था कि थॉमस हार्डी एजुकेटेड हो, उनको एजुकेशन मिले। तो 1848 बिगन स्कूल इन लोअर बैकहैम्पटन। 1849 ट्रांसफर्ड टू स्कूल इन डोचेस्टर, then walked 3 miles each way every day, gained a love of the outdoors and details, enjoys classes in music, Latin and dance। ये सब स्कूल में वो लेते थे। 1870 हार्डी मीट्स एमा गिफोर्ड, his future wife। 1874 हार्डी marries Emma Gifford। She was also a writer, and although none of her work was very good, then 1892 Hardy's marriage begins to become a very difficult. Hardy had many beautiful pupils with whom he was in constant contact. Emma became very jealous of these relationships. 1970 Hardy meets and begins a relationship with writer Florence Dugdale. 1910 Hardy received the Order of Merit for excellence in his field. 1912 Emma Hardy suddenly dies. 1940 Hardy marries his lover Florence Dugdale. 1856 to 61 Hardy apprenticed to John Hicks, an architect. Hardy builds Maxgate, his own home, made educated friends, had many discussion। then यहाँ पे MET होगा, made educated friends and had many discussion, studies Greek and poetry with Horace Moore। Hardy was constantly criticized for his work। then Tess of the D'Urbervilles, Too Late Beloved, Pure Woman। Editors forced Hardy to rewrite parts of it, well received but heavily criticized। then Jude the Obscure। By reading this novel, many people committed suicide। Jude the Obscure। सो ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आता है, हार्डी के कौन सी बुक पढ़ के बहुत मैनी पीपल सुसाइड किए थे। सो ज्यूड द ऑब्स्क्योर। यहाँ क्रिटिसाइज टू गॉड, यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, गॉड को क्रिटिसाइज किए हैं। दिस इज़ द लास्ट नॉवेल ऑफ थॉमस हार्डी। तो अगर कुछ क्रोनोलॉजी भी आएगा तो आप लोग यहाँ से गेस कर सकते हैं। हार्श क्रिटिसिज्म कंसिडर्ड ब्लास्फेमस। क्रिटिक G.K. Chatterton wrote that Hardy became a sort of village artist, atheist, brooding and blaspheming over the village idiot. Because of the criticism, Hardy was cured of his desire to write novels and return to poetry। तो ये जो क्रिटिसाइज ज़्यादा हुआ तो क्या नॉवेल लिखना छोड़ दिया और पोइट्री लिखना शुरू किए। डार्कलिंग थ्रस्ट पोएम। डार्कलिंग थ्रस्ट नेम ऑफ बर्ड अबाउट द एंडिंग ऑफ ईयर एंड बीइंग of the year here and beginning of the year, here the bird morning here। So Hardy's humanism such is Hardy's philosophy of life. It is certainly a gloomy one, for he regards life as suffering and man as a puppet in the hands of destiny. But it cannot be called pessimistic, for pessimism implies negation of life, a wish not to have been born at all. So एमिनेंट विल। तो यहाँ पे जो डार्कलिंग थ्रॉस जो है एक बाढ़ के बारे में बोले हैं और ऐसे सिंपलाइज किए हैं कि जो डेस्टिनी है उसके हैंड में हम लोग सब क्या है, पपेट हैं। देन प्रोस्पाइक ब्राउनिंग afterwards Hardy's pessimism is not oppressive, it is not the outcome of the soul which rebelled against the life, misanthrope like Havells. He is a pessimist like the classical writers who consider man merely a puppet in hands of mighty fate. Then Hobbes, human beings are inborn selfish, died. He was died in 11 January 1928 at the age of 87, Dorset, England. Then Dynast, only play by Hardy. This is very important. The only play of Hardy is the Dynast, closet drama है और Thomas Hardy is considered as the bridge between Victorian era and modern era. This is also very important information that Thomas Hardy is considered as the bridge between Victorian era and the modern era. So this is about Thomas Hardy, life of Thomas Hardy. So in the next class we will come through the works of Thomas Hardy.